why is it that the insurance companies want to take so long about settling your claim? I mean, because I've already done been in there and argued with them for a long time now, and they're just now wanting to work with me.
Okay, so, James, I'm going to put you on pause, put you on hold for a minute. If you want to just turn your television set back up, you can hear what the attorneys have to say. So what James is trying to go through the proper channels, and it seems to be taking longer than he seems to think that it should.
Insurance companies take a long time, James, and what we found is that truck insurance companies are even more aggressive with how they want to negotiate these claims over time, because they have a lot of experience dealing with people who have been injured at the hands of truck drivers that they insure. The other thing about these insurance policies is they're not like, your typical State Farm or your nationwide policy. They have to be a very minimum amount of $750,000 in coverage. So there's often a lot of exposure for these insurance companies. They are probably going to argue with you. The step I would advise you to take is a step that I would not advise everybody to take every time a car accident happens. If you've been in a truck wreck, you really need to consult an attorney. If it's not, us that you give a call to, you should give a call to somebody, because somebody's going to have to help guide you through the process of dealing with that type of insurance carrier.
Yeah, and I'll also try to advise everybody that's been in some sort of accident or other traumatic event. The time to settle your case is not immediately after the wreck occurs. I always tell folks, give it at least 90 days, because you have one shot to get it right, to get fairly compensated. And your injuries, you want to make sure that you've kind of plateaued with regard to your recovery. So I always say, give it 90 days. After 90 days, if you feel relatively certain that you're ready to close your case out, then go ahead and move forward. But don't, first couple of weeks or something like that, I just recommend not doing it. No.
Yeah.